Hello everyone, my name is Neil and I welcome you to the channel Sonu Sethia. Today I'll be performing the experiment of lava lamp. So let's begin. For this experiment we'll need a clear glass, baking soda, tablespoon measure, vegetable oil, vinegar and a dropper. Now first we'll add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. After this, we are going to add vegetable oil. See that the layer of baking soda is not disturbed. Now, we are going to use colored vinegar. You can mix the food coloring with the vinegar. I am using blue colored vinegar. We'll use a dropper and pour this blue colored vinegar into this glass. 5 to 6 drops are okay. So I've taken. Now these will the vinegar will not mix with the oil because of polarity. Vinegar is an acid and a polar molecule having slightly charged ends. Polar molecules only attract other polar molecules, while oil contains fatty acids and is a non-polar molecule. Non-polar molecules only attract other non-polar molecules. Polar molecules and non-polar molecules repel each other. The vinegar will not mix. Also, the vinegar is denser than oil, so it will sink to the bottom of the glass and it will give this beautiful lamp display. As the vinegar sinks to the bottom of the glass, it will react with the baking soda, giving out carbon dioxide bubbles. These carbon dioxide bubbles will stick to the surface, will stick to the vinegar and make it float to the surface. Once these carbon dioxide bubbles release into the air, vinegar will sink back down and this continues. Now, as you can see the reaction, it's looking amazing. If you use different colors of vinegar, eventually they'll all combine. A splendid lava lamp look. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.